What is up, YouTube? This is Noli from the Noliverse, and today we're going to be doing another silver reveal. Now, this will be probably one of two of my last videos of the year, only because as of right now I'm waiting on two shipments coming in the mail. I'm not sure when they will come in. There's potentially a third video, so I made an order on SD Bullion and an order on APMEX. This right here is a pickup from the exchange, my local coin shop, along with a couple other recent pickups from the last 2 weeks. This is today's pickup though. Very happy with this. I can't wait to show you guys what's inside and the other stuff, but mostly what's inside here. I really can't wait to show you guys what I'm getting in the mail. So those videos will come out accordingly. So basically, when I get the first package in the mail, I'm going to give it 24 hours for the second package. If I could get the second package within 24 hours, because I ordered them around the same time, then I'm going to do the whole reveal in one video. However, if it's more than 24 hours, then we're going to do one video and another. However, they should both be pretty good videos. I ordered a lot, and just to give you guys the heads up, I did get the promotion at my job. So hopefully these silver pickups will just more often than not be bigger pickups, you know, bigger reveals, more pieces to show and show off. So we're going to get started. We're going to try to keep this short and sweet. I don't got much to talk about today. The silver market's been pretty much how it's been for the last few months, around $30, $32. Silver, gold, however, I think is at 27.33.30 today. You can check me though. You could always check the app's Kitco, or if you have APMEX on your phone, you could always check the price there. However, sometimes the prices fluctuate from site to site or app to app, however you may put it. So with all that said, again, I hope you guys are doing well. Let's get started. So I guess we'll start with what's outside of holders right now from recent pickups, and I think we're going to start off with the maple leaf. So of course, you know, I got a milk spot. I didn't even recognize that when I picked that up, but you know, or maybe it's gained that in the last couple weeks since I've had it. Who knows? I don't have any record or photo of it previously, so I guess we'll just have to take it. However, I do know that the maple leaves are known for milk spotting, and I think this is an earlier year. This is 1995, so, you know, no harm, no foul to me. It's still silver in my eyes. It's still a beautiful piece, you know. I was actually looking at a piece earlier. Excuse me if I'm moving around a lot. I got this bad cramp in my leg that's been going on. I think it's like in my knee, but I'm not trying to give you guys my diagnosis. Anyways, yeah, you know, maples are good for the collection. I have one of the Predator rounds. I actually forgot to mention to you guys in my last update video, over the summer I did have to sell a bit of my stack. I think I ended up selling like 14 ounces or something like that, because my work was cut in hours. I needed the money to pay bills and court fees and all that. You guys who have been watching the channel understand or know that I've been dealing with the DUIs, so I'm still paying that off. And over the summer, as I said, I just needed a little extra help. But we are officially back to where I was and over. So with the silver coming in, we're going to be way over. So I actually think we're going to finally peak 100 ounces and over that. So I'll do the full math by the end of the second or third video, whichever I put out last. So got the maple leaf. What I'm going to do real quick is get this stuff out the bag. That way it's all ready to go. Alright, next up. Got me another drape bust round. I really do like these pieces, so this would be the second one I got in my inventory, or stack as you may call it. Very nice piece. I am very happy with this piece each time I purchase it. Got a really nice finish. Put it in the light real quick. You know, just clean, nice piece. Now I don't know which pickups these are with. I'm just going through it, guys. I'm not gonna, you know, deal out the prices that I paid. I'll give you guys the range. The highest piece in today's pickup was $170, and you'll understand when you see it. The highest piece, aside from that, which you'll also understand, or maybe I overpaid a little bit, is $40. So, but the average piece here ranges between $34 and $38. The ones that are $37 to $38, you'll understand why. Again, the others are usually $34 or $35. So, for generic silver, just to give you guys the price range real quick, and to keep it going, keep it moving, we got a Golden State Mint bar here. So moving on, We got a Kookaburra here, 2023. Very nice piece. Keeping it in the capsule for now. I would take it out, but that's just too much work. I'm just going to try to get through this video as quick as I possibly can. You know, keep it moving. There's a lot of pieces to go through, or a lot more than usual, I should say. We also got this 2024 Charles III Tokelau. Again, excuse me if I'm mispronouncing that word there. I should probably look into that, but it's a $5 piece. Silver alligator, very nice piece. I think it's 3.9. Oh, it's 4.9 fine silver. It says Untamed Landscapes at the top there, Oceania. Cool alligator on the back. Very cool piece. Moving on, we got another Morgan Dollar poker chip round. I think that's what these called, you know. With a rim like that, I think that makes it a poker chip. But silver piece right here. I love it. I love the design. This one's a lot cleaner than the other one I picked up a few weeks back, or a couple months back, whenever it was. Very nice, very nice.
Very nice.
Moving on. You know, got to go with the Silver Eagles, man. Trying to keep up buying these as well. This is a 2012. There's a nice little rhyme, accidental. But very nice piece here. You know, I do like the Walking Liberty design on the Silver Eagles. Looks like I got some scuffage on the back there, although that might be for me and my handling. Ooh. It's like that bar should just, whatever. Next we got this. So I actually got a good deal on this one. I forgot to mention that, but this is a 2020 British Indian Oceans Territory Silver Turtle, 1 Royale. Very nice piece. He actually sold this to me for 40 bucks. I went online to look at what they sell for. They go for like $60, so he gave me a nice discount. This was I bought at the exchange. Brian, always doing good business with me. You know, it's my pleasure. I hope it's your pleasure as well, you know, to take my dollars for your medals. Very nice piece. Very happy he gave me that deal. You know, that's why I say it's always good to, when you're doing business with people, always go in with a good attitude, you know. Be willing to learn, be willing to talk and listen, you know, and understandable when it comes to certain things and prices. You know, people got to make a buck. We all want to make a buck, right? So, moving on. Got another Silver Eagle here. I think this one's cleaned. I'm gonna have to check this one out. I have a, you know, it's 2016, and it's got that shine to it, like it's been dipped. Now, I don't know who would dip one of these, but definitely looks like it's been cleaned. So, but I got this at the exchange as well. Paid $38 for this today. So, gonna have to look into it, but you know, we will see. Next, but not last or least, we got this Silver Pegasus today for $34. I know I said I was going to go to price, but I guess I will, just for a little extra info on the pieces, since we're just going through them and not going over them. As I said, there's a lot to go through here. I mean, as you guys can see already, you know, it's more than my usual earlier videos that were short with like 4 to 5 ounces per video. So a nice piece here, 1 troy ounce. You got the Pegasus with the shield on the back. I guess that's what that is. 3/9 AG. Oop. Goldsilver.com. Let's look into that. But very nice piece. Caught my eye. So had to pick it up. Got that for $34. Now here's the $40 piece I got today. A 1921. I cannot make out that. Oh, S mint mark, 1921 S, Morgan Dollar. Very nice piece. And as you can see, the condition of it's pretty clean, or not clean like this one. You know, this one I definitely think was dipped. However, I'm not mad about it. You know, my preference on clean coins, I'm not gonna clean. Like if it's bullion, I guess it's okay because it's just for the silver. As long as you know how to do it and you're not rubbing silver off, it's all right. But again, know how to do it and good luck. But I like to leave my stuff how it is, how I get it. In fact, you see my case, I like to let some of it tone on its own. Yo, what's with my rhymes today, man? Eminem, sign me, bro. And of course, I had to get a peace dollar. You know, I only have 1 peace dollar to my collection. In my last video, I did say I was gonna pick up more. So now I have a 1923 and a 1924. Oh my god. Are you guys catching me right now? Or like, I swear I'm not rhyming on purpose, but you know what? I'll take it, you know? Picked up another kangaroo. So I had a kangaroo earlier. Actually, I think if you watch my first few videos, you'll see it. But that was one of the pieces I sold. Not one of my favorite pieces of silver of all time. You know, I mean, I do like it, but it was like, you know, when it came down to selling silver, this is why I gotta remind you guys, there are pieces you're gonna fall in love with, but just do your best to not get too attached, because there are gonna be times where you may have to sell some and let go. So, but down the line, you could always pick up another piece, like I did today. I picked up another kangaroo. Said goodbye to one, say hello to another. And guys, last but not least, the piece I paid $170 for, the 5-ounce bar, the Buffalo, my first 5-ounce bar. So I don't know what this means. Varies. I guess it means varied. I don't know if that was written on at the shop. The lady, so I guess it was Brian's wife. She didn't really know. She was nice to help me today, and I apologize for my knee constantly getting in the video. It's that muscle I pulled. Had to constantly move my leg, but and we'll just leave it. There's no need to peel it off. Put that right there for now. But probably just leave it in the holder for a while. I mean, I might take it out. I don't know. What would you guys do? Would you take this out? I mean, it's my first 5-ounce piece. Should I preserve it? Should I enjoy it? I mean, I'm going to enjoy it either way, but it's a hefty boy. Hefty. So, very happy with these pickups. Pretty much went in the way that I did purchase them. I know I said I wasn't going in any specific order, but I kind of just do naturally. So, it is what it is, guys. But that's pretty much going to be it for today's video. This is the silver haul over the past few weeks. Again, we got, I want to say 20 more ounces coming in the mail. 10 ounces per package with some varied weights. I did get some fractionals on the orders, so, but you know, I do like the fractional pieces, and by fractional I'm not talking constitutional coming in with this purchase, but just fractional rounds at that. But in future purchases we will be continuing with constitutional rounds with more, you know, Morgan and silver dollars, and just the rest of it. We're going to keep stacking and keep having fun and keep investing my wealth into something that is protected by hard assets, you know, like silver and gold. And eventually we're going to trade in some silver for some gold, and then maybe one day we'll trade in some gold for some more silver when the ratios are right. But today I believe they're at 85-1, at least they were yesterday, according to Silver Dragon's videos that I watched, him and Harry's Coin Shop, some of my favorite videos to watch. Definitely suggest you guys check him out if you haven't already. And in my next video, I'm going to be giving out quite a few shout outs to a few of my viewers that have been pretty loyal to the channel this year. I'm very thankful for all of you. A couple of the people that I followed on YouTube that have followed back or have followed me back via social media for one reason or another. I am very grateful, and I'm going to give you guys the proper shout out in the last video of the year. So it's either going to be in the next video or the video following that. Again, I said depends on when the second shipment comes in. For all I know, they could come in the same day, so it could all work out. But yeah, so look forward to that, guys. There's going to be 1 or 2 more videos coming this month. I do apologize for the long waits in between videos. As you see, I am still stacking. Just been trying to, you know, stack slow, but steady stack, you know what I mean? So, got to do it slowly but surely. And, you know, you got to be smart with it, because you don't want to overspend and then, you know, like, say I were to buy all this in one purchase and, you know, then I leave myself with 20 bucks for the week. You don't want to do that. You know, you don't want to have to go back over to the coin shop and be like, constantly trade it in for money, because you're going to be wasting money. You're going to be losing money doing that. Like, the point of stacking is to hold it for the long run. You know, watch the value increase as inflation goes up, or if it does go down, then you could cost average in your stack. But you guys already know all that. If you don't, you know, there's plenty of videos out there to watch. I have recent videos where I explain it a little bit. I know I'm not the most informative guy on YouTube when it comes to the silver stack, and I mostly am here to show off my stack. Eventually I'll get to those videos. I've just been very busy now with this promotion. You know, I'm working 6 days a week, got a lot of hours, but it's going to mean a lot more money and hopefully a lot more silver and potentially gold to the stack. So with all that said, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are staying healthy, happy, and continue stacking. So stay awesome. This is Noli from the Noliverse. Have a good one, guys. Peace.